Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and welcome to my channel. Today I would be reviewing the Shein products that I already ordered before the lockdown, and it almost took 2 months to get delivered over here. Okay, let's not waste any more time and get into the video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any further videos from me. Okay, this is my first product. Pastel pink basic t-shirt, a boxy one, rather with a full sleeves, which is quite big according to the size I ordered. This is the least small size, that is extra small, yet it is huge, but it fits me quite well. But I can't wear it during the summers. I can only wear it in the winters maybe, और else बहुत गर्मी होता है इसमें. Okay, next up we have this basic white t-shirt which has a print. What's this? Weekend. I bought it for holidays or to wear just like that. Okay, the fabric is quite good, but again the size is small, yet it's very big and huge. It's very loose and not that comfortable as always. Okay, next up, this top. This is also oversized sweatshirt or kind of thing. This has a velvet kind of material over here at the sleeves. Okay, and this material is also very thick, so I can't wear it in summers, only in the winters. That too in India, I doubt. So this is it. Well, the fabric is quite थोड़ा अजीब है, मतलब I don't know how to explain it, but something like, I don't know, fabric ही है but पहनने वाला fabric नहीं है, ऐसा kind of कुछ तो अलग ही है. I don't know why, but it seems nice. And most of the things or tops which I bought, which it was from the flash sale, so according to the price it's okay, but yet not up to the mark. I have wasted a lot of money, from my own pocket. That's okay, according to the material. Okay, this is a basic white top, a crop top, medium crop top. The similar one which I'm wearing, the black one and this white one, I got a set of these two for around 990, almost 1000 rupees, for 500 each. Okay, so well, I don't think so they are worth it, because as this is black, that's okay, it's quite body hugging, and this one is also very body hugging. Okay, so even if I wear something nude inside, it shows up. I don't know how to wear it or how to carry it out. It just works when I wear a denim jacket or something, when I layer it up basically, or else it's just waste. Another best product. Okay, this one I bought it earlier only, but I thought to include in this haul so that I can tell you to avoid this product. Even if Shein comes in India और comes नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वापस से आ गया Shein इंडिया में, या फिर कोई प्रोडक्ट Shein जैसा आ गया, तो ये वाला टॉप तो कभी मत लेना. This has faded away in just one wash. Okay, and this is quite small, and it says one size when you order it. Well, that's it. Or next, this one. This is a crop top kind of a top, a boxy fit. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ये बड़ा वाला, बहुत oversize है but crop है. Okay, full sleeves, not bell kind of sleeve, but ऐसा ही थोड़ा बड़ा है. So this top looks very good when I wear, but again बहुत गर्मी होता है इसमें भी. और what I was saying, मैंने तो अभी यहाँ पे स्टिच करा दिया, but the day when I received it, अभी भी देख सकते हो आप, अभी मैंने सिलाया था बट फिर भी ऑफिस से आ गया. आई टेक यू क्लोजर. आई डोंट नो कैमरा इज डूइंग दी जस्टिस और नॉट, बट यहाँ पे से ना स्टिचिंग खुला हुआ था तो आई हैव टू गेट इट not altered but stitched from the tailor so I can wear it. I didn't wanted to waste my money. Okay, that's it. बहुत गर्मी होता है but it's okay, I can manage. थोड़ा तो पहनना पड़ेगा. The last top which I have in this haul is this one. This I got it for the office wear basically. थोड़ा तो बड़ा है ये, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत बड़ा है मेरे लिए, but you can see it's very transparent. Okay, that's it with the full sleeves. Okay, इसका तो एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इतना बड़ा साइज है मेरे लिए, but yet when I can't even pull my hands पूरा ऊपर and everything, क्योंकि ना कुछ अजीब ही है, यहाँ से टाइट हो जाता है, यहाँ से पूरा लूज है. when I pull my hands up or to get something from the shelf or something like that, तो फिर ना यहाँ पे कुछ अजीब ही टाइट हो जाता है. तो आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन ऑल्टर इट. ऑल्टर किया तो और टाइट हो जाएगा, तो आई एम बेसिकली कंफ्यूज्ड. एंड या almost every top I got it from the flash sale as I told you earlier. So ना ये सब टॉप अराउंड sorry I'm sweating, तो सब टॉप अराउंड 250-350 के रेंज में ही था. Okay, so according to the price it was okay, but yet not up to the mark. So and but we have these two pants which I got it for the office use only. Okay, this I'll show you. This is a paper bag kind of a pant. Okay, I'll insert the image or a video so you'll get a perfect idea. कि इसमें तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, ये फ्लैश सेल से नहीं था, या फिर आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद द फ्लैश सेल, व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग विद द फ्लैश सेल, बट दिस वाज गुड. ओके, एक ही प्रॉब्लम था कि यहाँ पे व्हेन वी पुट द बकल ऑन दिस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दिस फॉल्स ऑफ. व्हेन आई वेयर इट दिस फॉल्स ऑफ. इवन आई पुट द बेल्ट ऑन, दिस इज लाइक दिस ओनली. You get it? So it's okay. I wear it every day. I used to wear it every day to work. Next up, again a black pant, a trouser without any zip, a basic trouser that was above the ankles. At the end, this is basic and has two pockets. Even that pant had two pockets over there. That's it. दोनों का फिट अच्छा था. Okay, last this is soft like a teddy bear, but I'll show you. छोटा सा जैकेट जैसा है, नॉट छोटा, एक कुछ इसको सिमेट्रिकल क्या बोलते हैं वो. आई एम नॉट इनटू दैट बेसिस नॉट येट. ओके, आई लर्न इट, बट ठीक है, मतलब ये मटेरियल वगैरह ठीक है, गर्मी के टाइम पे पहनने के लिए लिया था. इफ आई गो समवेयर आउट एट दी आउट स्टेशन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो बट इसका ना स्लीव्स मतलब आई डोंट नो बहुत छोटा है. साइज फिटिंग वगैरह ठीक है, नॉट ठीक है, और ये साइज कौन सा था, स्मॉल. ओके, सो बट स्लीव्स के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है आई डोंट नो. ओके, मटेरियल वगैरह ठीक है, और ये जो ब्लैक कलर का लाइनिंग आ रहा है यहाँ पे, दैट फील्स वेरी चीप. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, बट दैट फील्स रियली वेरी चीप. Okay, and this was also in the flash sale, but the cost was not that cheap. I don't even have the Shein app, so I can share. मतलब वो है ही नहीं, अभी बैन कर दिया, तो I can't help it. But ये सब प्रोडक्ट दिखाने का एक ही मोटिव था, so that I can suggest you to get some more quality stuff rather than मतलब सेल में मत जाओ मेरी तरह, खास करके शीन जैसे वेबसाइट्स पे. लाइक इट्स नॉट बिकॉज जस्ट बिकॉज शीन बैन हो गया है या फिर लाइक चाइना इज डूइंग दिस ऑल थिंग्स टू अस और might be doing wrong things to our nation basically, but like we have many more slip of tongue. What I was saying, that we have many more websites or apps. Like Myntra is very great, like it has many various brands and it provides good quality stuff. Okay, I have bought, बट मैं उसका अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं कर सकती, या फिर लाइक अभी टाइम हो गया है, मैंने यूज कर दिया है मिंत्रा का प्रोडक्ट्स अभी लॉकडाउन में भी. नहीं तो फिर मैं लाइक आई कुड हैव शोन यू, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो आई मोस्टली पोस्ट पिक्चर्स, सो आई टैग देयर एंड यू कैन एटलीस्ट सी द इमेजेस. ओके, सो मतलब ये शीन मतलब ठीक था, वो पैंट वगैरह तो ठीक था. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell right there. That's it. और क्या, आगे भी वीडियोस आते रहेंगे. Okay, I would be reviewing more products in future. Also, like अभी थोड़ा चालू है वीडियोस. So don't forget to hit the notification bell right there. So you would be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle would be right here above or in the description box below. I would be leaving the links right there. Also, follow my Facebook page. So I would be leaving it in the description box below as well. That's it. See you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you.